Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, folks. For this case, it's evening. I'm up at Astwood Bank. I'm actually walking up Poverty, where I've done this walk thousands of times when I was a kid. There's a fireworks display on down at the cricket club. I was just sat in on my own tonight and umming and ahhing whether to find anywhere, so I decided to have a little walk. So if you could subscribe to the channel. I'm using the new DJI Pocket 3. I've got my Sony with me as well, and I've got the GoPro, but the GoPro's no good in low light. I'm just going to swing you around. I say this is a new camera, and it's pesky bike. It's very good in low light, so I'm just going to walk along here now to the what we used to call the playing fields, and then head down. I'm hoping it's not going to rain. I haven't brought my umbrella. I should have done really. It's in the car, but I'm hoping it's going to be all right. I've got my rain jacket on, so I'm going to switch over to my wireless mic as well now. So there's Vulco Springs there on the right. So see you in a bit. Yeah, so this is I say what we used to call the playing fields. I was just thinking about a story which I might tell you in a minute. Yeah, many years ago, when I was probably about 10, they used to have toilets here, and I don't know if it was me, one of us threw a banger through the window. We didn't realise there was a bloke in the toilet. He come running out. He couldn't catch us, but that's another story. But the Pocket's doing well in the low light. You don't get face tracking when you're in the low light mode, but it's doing a pretty good job anyway. So we'll see in a bit. Yeah, getting a bit closer now. I'm not sure if you've got to pay to go in to see. I'll have to bite the bullet and pay, I suppose. It ain't going to be a lot. Nice Tesla going down. Got the bonfires going there. And,
Good night.
cheers.
Card if you need. Card if
Right, we're in. There's the bonfire there, so let's get a bit closer and have a walk. I'm just going to right, I've just switched off the low light for a minute. That's lovely. Don't know what time the display is. Well, it's just donation. I'll put a couple of quid in the bucket. So yeah, so there's the bonfire. We'll catch you in a sec. Well, it's a bit of information here. Free entry. That's pretty good. Well done to the cricket club. I'm back on low light, so going for a walk round. Don't know what time the display is going to be on, but oh, straighten that gimbal up, Roy. That's it. yeah, certainly some folks here. So not sure. We've got some. That's nice. Over here, we'll go out and have a look. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I can't. When you're in the low light, you can't zoom. So anyway, we'll have a little walk round. Certainly some folks here. So yeah. Oh, I'm going to have a little walk round to it. We've got the bar here. Obviously I don't drink, so it's no good to me, but there's the bar. Looks like they're keeping busy there. So swing you around. Something like give him a bit, Roy.
Tony's.
Ooh, blimey. I nearly went over then. It's very muddy just here. It's like a skating rink just there. That was a bad move, walking just here. And action. Yeah, you're on. Nice to see you. See you again. Yeah, okay.
You're turning into a celebrity.
Hang on. I'll bring that round. Want a picture? Okay, well, I'll get him on the video as well.
We watch a few of your videos.
Yeah,
and we send them out to his uncle in Dubai.
yeah. This is a new camera. We get the dog. Nice. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah, we've got a bit of music here, so I'll just give you a little shot. Right, so we're now in, I'm in my C mode. I've switched off the low light at the moment, because there is a bit of light here. So fireworks are, swing you around to me. Yeah, the fireworks are at 7:30, so I've got about half an hour. So I'm going to go back to the bonfire for a minute. See you in a minute. Yeah, I must admit, these trucks look nice here. So I'm off out of the low light at the moment. So I'd like to compare my settings. So getting a shot of the truck. Can zoom in there. Right, I'm back in the low light mode now. I'm just going to walk across here, and whether I can get down to my shoes in the low light. Yeah. So, yeah, this camera is absolutely amazing in the low light. Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, I like the truck, these old steam engines. Worth coming down for me just to see them. Yeah, when I was a kid, we used to go to Crouchers at off Church Road, by the school. We used to have a bonfire there. When we were off school, just before bonfire, we were building the bonfire. Lovely view at the back. I say this camera is just unbelievable in low light. I'm glad I've brought this out tonight. So we'll see you in a bit. Thanks for joining me. We've got to wait about another 15 minutes for the fireworks. It's a Foden. Yeah, I've just done another little clip here because I'm messing around with the settings, and it's called a log. It's like an HDR clip. I haven't quite got the hang of that yet. So, yeah, there's a fair few folks here. It's very muddy. Yeah, hi folks. Shouldn't be too long now for the fireworks. I just want to say a big thanks to all the organisers and all the people who are helping out tonight. You know, well done to them. Gives everyone a good night out. And I say, just a donation. Just can't go wrong at that. So big thanks from me to everyone involved. Yeah, I've just got it set in 4K 60 frames a second. You won't notice any difference, but you can slow this down a bit if you want to. So it might be handy for the fireworks. So I'll see, I'll play around with the settings anyway. I might even have the GoPro on the go for the fireworks as well. was thinking of putting my Sony on, but it's a bit awkward. So should have brought the tripod really, I could have put it on that, but hopefully this should be alright. This looks like the finale. Yeah, this is in 4K 60, just telling myself. Yeah, thanks for joining me folks here. If you haven't watched me videos before, please subscribe, it's free to do that. Oh, it's been going for 15 minutes now, that's really good. Yeah, brilliant display, absolutely fantastic. When I thought it was all over, some more. Back in low light now. Keeps on going. I think it's finished. I'm going to get more. Back on low light now.
Hey, look, I told you what would happen. I told you what would happen.
They're not real. They look good though. I'll be with you.
Well, certainly a good display. It's been 25 minutes now, been going. Back to 4K 60. I think that's it. I've thought that a few times. I start to walk off. We get more. Yeah, still more. Swing your back round. Back to me C1 setting. Nice to see the kids with the sparklers. Yeah, end of the show, folks. Bonfire's still going. That was great. Put another log on the fire. Yeah, hi folks. Well, I'm going to end the video now. There might be one or two more fireworks going off, I'm not sure. But as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Let's hope there's peace in Ukraine and all around the world. Still going off here. So see you all soon, folks. Bye for now.